Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a stretch break utilizing a squishy ball. You can do this against a wall or you can join me on the floor and we'll do that using a squishy ball or any ball that you may have. You can even use a tennis ball, but I like the squishy ball for this particular exercise. It helps warm up the shoulder first before going in deep. All right, so this is what I do, and you're going to do what's right for you. If these don't work for you, these stretches, don't do them. Change it up. So, squishy ball, I'm just going to roll my shoulder around on that ball. The front of the shoulder feels amazing. And then I'm going to move the arm up and down and around. Awesome. That's great. And now I'm going to come up. I'm going to do it on my hands and knees to show you one time like this, just so you see what we're going to do when we lay all the way down. I'm going to press out to the side. Oh my. Go as far as you're comfortable. You really feel that. And you angle it. And then straight up. I love this one. That one's really good. Okay, so I'm going to take it onto my abdomen. And I'm going to press it straight out. A little linger here. Make sure you don't hyperextend your elbow. Just gentle press. Pulling in 45 degrees. And then straight up. Some of you might really feel this one. Oh yeah. And you can repeat it out to the side. And angle. And you can do this up to 10 times. And straight up. Wow. Whew. So let's do the other side. You don't have to switch over. You can just go to your other side. I'm just turning so you can see better. And I'm going to start on my knees. I'm going to press out and leaning to the opposite side. Just be gentle. Listen to your body. Then I'm going to angle it 45 degrees. Sink in. And then straight up. But you can roll it out first before you do this. Okay. So I'm taking it down. And now I'm going to roll it out. And do little circles with your shoulder. Yum. You can pin it, move the arm. Side to side. All right, we're ready. Okay, let's go ahead and press it out. Feel free to relax your head, or you can keep it up if you're okay. You can get it to the palm, gentle press. Bring it in, maybe hold it 3 to 5 seconds. Press. And in, and the fun one. Straight up. Oh yeah. I'm going to do one more round with you, but feel free to go up to 10 times. Or even more. Maybe 20, right? And I find this helps give me mobility in my shoulders, better flexibility, and it helps to relieve aches and pains. So that's why I do this. Ah, that's good. I wanted to share it with you. And let's just do a stretch back here. Interlace the fingers. Yum. Release. Shake it out. Cleansing breath here. Ah, give yourself a hug. See, you can hug yourself better. Remember, be good to yourself. Say good things about you because you are important. Appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in and doing this stretch break with me, stretch rollout break. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share with all your friends, your loved ones that can really benefit from this. Okay, peace and love. Bye.